will not be bullied, and neither will my client.
A Philadelphia judge has just ruled in the lawsuit over Elon Musk's $1 million a day voter giveaway case. The story is breaking right now in Philadelphia City Hall. Let's get right to Chief Investigative Reporter Joe Holden. He's been following the case all day from the courtroom. Joe?
Yuki, and what a long day it was. Several hours waiting in a very hot and stuffy courtroom with District Attorney Larry Krasner. In fact, he showed up here to Philadelphia City Hall a short time after you saw him giving those remarks at that earlier news conference. The judge here giving Larry Krasner a defeat, saying that this $1 million giveaway alleged illegal lottery, according to Larry Krasner, can continue to proceed because the judge in his order finding that this so-called lottery was not a selection of people at random. And of course, one very wealthy man at the center of it all, Elon Musk and his PAC. Elon Musk not present here at Philadelphia City Hall. The story begins last month when Musk first announced the random selection of people to receive $1 million every day leading up to Election Day. However, finer details we learned today, there was not random selecting happening. Now, Musk made the announcement at a rally at which his political action committee, America PAC, supporting Donald Trump. It said participants who entered by signing a petition to support the First and Second Amendments were eligible to random selection to win $1 million. Now, attorneys for the PAC this morning in court explained further that participants were actually entering into a contract with America PAC to act as spokesperson for the PAC. $16 million so far given away. But Larry Krasner called foul, accusing Musk and the PAC of running an unregulated illegal lottery. From the witness stand, Krasner called the program a grift and a scam. He likened it to running numbers and told the court Philadelphians who run numbers go to jail. The DA said the matter is under criminal investigation. Once again, he was asking the judge to shut the whole thing down. The judge disagreed. We spoke with Krasner's legal counsel shortly after the hearing. Let's go ahead and listen to what they said before this order came down.
We said a lot in the courtroom. We're going to rely on what we said in the courtroom. It's in the hands of the judge. This is the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. We believe in the rule of law. The rule of the law is that you respect what judges do and say, and that's where things are.
And Judge Angelo Follietto ruling quickly. Now, here are the attorneys for Elon Musk and America PAC. They would not take my questions, but they did say in court that today's winner and tomorrow's winner of this lottery is not from Pennsylvania. And they argued, therefore, the fact it won't continue beyond tomorrow anyway, this was all a moot point. But again, Larry Krasner saying that it is his interpretation that this was not a violation of anybody's First Amendment, but rather this was a scam in his words and a grift. But the PAC coming back at Larry Krasner saying that it was Larry Krasner attempting to sideline their First Amendment rights in participating in this petition. There is a lot to unravel here, but of course, again, the headline is that Larry Krasner issued a defeat by a Philadelphia judge just moments ago. We're live outside City Hall. Joe Holden, CBS News, Philadelphia.